Welcome to ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS. We invite you to experience with us the passion for cooking. Enjoy the endless possibilities of the fascinating brand and be inspired by the highest demand on quality. Discover the joy of working with professional cooking equipment. Express your own individual lifestyle and enjoy a unique cooking experience. All ZWILLING Group brands offer innovative products, intelligent technology and convincing quality for knives, scissors, flatware and cookware, both in stainless steel and cast iron. ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS, Miyabi, Stoop and Demira stand for cooking delights of the highest possible standard. ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS is well known for delivering outstanding cutting qualities. The innovative knife series is highly valued by professionals and hobby chefs around the world. Cooking with ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS knives is quite an experience. Twin 1731. Harmony of design and function. Exclusive materials and the latest technologies turn using this knife into an emotional experience. Twin Perfection. Athletic, dynamic and powerful. A masterpiece for the highest demands. Twin Searmax. Developed for lovers of the Japanese cuisine. Twin Select. Aesthetics in stainless steel design. Twin Cuisine. The consistent design solution with an innovative horizontal tang. Twin 4-Star 2. Function, safety and comfort at the highest level. Professional S. Traditional and classic 3-rivet design. Twin Signature for the demanding newcomer. Quality is decided by the perfect interaction of material and workmanship. ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS Special Formula Steel impresses with its optimal balance of chromium and carbon content, the best raw material for tough, sharp, flexible and corrosion-resistant knives. Precision forged from one single piece, the Sigma Forged knife guarantees the perfect geometry of the shapes, essential for exact grinding and best possible cutting properties. Freador knives have been refined in a special ice-hardening process. Ice-hardened blades are particularly efficient, flexible and corrosion-resistant. The blade gets its optimal profile during a multi-level grinding process. Perfect honing from tip to bolster delivers best possible and lasting sharpness. A top-quality knife consists of blade, with a precisely ground edge from tip to heel and a back of blade with no edges. Forged bolster for balance and safe handling. Full-Tang. Ergonomic handle, in this case riveted. ZWILLING J.A. HENCKELS has the right knife for the right purpose. Stored in the twin rondo, they look good in every kitchen, are protected and always at hand. The correct grip is a prerequisite for precise cutting. Thumb and index finger rest across the bolster down to the blade. Middle and ring finger enclose the handle. The little finger rests loosely at the handle. You are now ready to start cutting. A chef's knife with a convex cutting edge works best with the rocking cutting technique for safe and easy use. That way you are in full control. Simply place the knife with the tip of the blade on the cutting board and employ a flowing motion forward, downwards, then up and backwards. The blade is constantly in contact with the cutting board. Keep an eye on the hand that holds what needs cutting. The fingers are bent spider-like. The knuckles provide the guide for the blade. It's different with a Santoku knife. The typical blade shape makes the Japanese all-rounder ideal for cutting with a diagonal up and down movement. Unlike the rocking motion, the knife is completely lifted from the cutting board with each cut. The hollow ground Santoku knife prevents food from sticking to the blade. The hollows are placed along the cutting edge. Turned potatoes do not need to be restricted to your favourite restaurant. A peeling knife can do the job just as well at home. The curved blade is made to match the food. Cutting and peeling is done effortlessly. A piece of advice, you always tourne towards the body. Onions are always needed, but how to cut them to perfection? Cut off the top of the onion first. Use the chef's knife to cut the onion in halves and then peel with a paring knife. Make a few incisions, first parallel to the cutting board and then vertical. Finally, it's back to the large chef's knife and cutting in the rocking motion. Take care to execute the circular movement with the blade. By the way, make sure to use the correct cutting board. A bamboo board is gentle to the blade and easy to maintain. Simply clean with a damp cloth and oil it occasionally. The bread knife, with its aggressive serration, effortlessly cuts crusty bread and loves the perfect cutting board. Do you know how easy filleting is? You only need the right knife. Then cut the tomato into 8 pieces with a utility knife. Followed by filleting. No problem with the thin, flexible blade of the filleting knife. And all that is left is the wafer thin skin. Filleting meat or fish is also child's play with a flexible filleting knife. Hold the fillet while cutting, lest it tears. Precision down to the last detail. The boning knife with its slim, high-tipped blade is used for deboning and to remove fat and sinews. Cut along the breastbone with the tip of the blade. Use your free hand to further open the cut. And here you are, portioning poultry quite effortlessly. The long, slim blade of the slicing knife follows your hand softly and effortlessly. And cuts your roast into perfect slices. Cleaning is easy. Simply rinse the knife under running water, dry it and return it to the knife block, where your knives will be stored ready for the next use.